Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and we are back in Photo Lab for another camera tutorial. So, shout out to all my clients out there. You are appreciated. Special thanks to all the models and muses out there. You keep me inspired. One love to all of my supporters on social media. You keep me going. All right, so today we're going to review the image size button. The image size icon and button on the camera screen. I have a Nikon, this is my Nikon D5300. So I'm gonna just do a close-up on the screen. I'm gonna share my camera screen with you, and we're going to basically go through this button and explain. I'm gonna explain to you guys what it means, all right? All right, let's go. All right, so welcome to my camera screen here, and we're going to talk about this image size button, the one that has an L on it, L displayed. So I'm going to hit this info button, and it's going to go into the image size. I hit the center button here, the OK button, and so this just lets you control the image size. You know what I'm saying? It goes anywhere from large pictures, 15 megabytes, all the way down to a medium-sized picture, 3.9 megabytes, and 4.8 megabytes here for a small picture. You know what I'm saying? So as you see, the larger the picture size, the lower, the less amount you can fit on the memory card. You see, this is 37 point. Let me go back to that. 37.1,000 pictures that you can use. So 37,100, but you can have almost 111,000. Yeah, so that's basically it. There's no real magic number or you know, hard and fast rule for this. Let me just go back to that so you guys can see. Basically, the smaller the image size, then generally the lower quality the picture is, but you'll be able to store a lot more of them on your you know, your SD card. You can store a lot more pictures and stuff like that on your laptop or anything like that. But the nicer the picture is here, well, the bigger the picture is, the nicer it is, the more it can be sent, transmitted, maybe to clients, or uploaded, downloaded a bunch of times, and you won't have to worry too much about compressing, you know what I'm saying, and loss of image quality. So one quick note about this is essentially it'll only let you do this if you're in one of these JPEG settings down here. You know what I'm saying? If you're in RAW, it just does a standard RAW format, standard RAW size, and as you can see, that it just jumps from, yeah, it'll just jump from image quality all the way to bracketing. So that's just a quick thing to keep in mind, just so you know that it will be grayed out if you don't have it in one of these JPEG settings. But yeah, basically that's it. All right, thanks guys. All right, so pretty basic one today, right? I hope that made sense. I hope I didn't overcomplicate it. It's pretty simple, right? But if you learned something in this video, please like the video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what image size you typically tend to use, you know, depending on storage and stuff like that on your laptop. Share this with a friend who might be interested in photography. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime that I post a new video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So thank you for your support of this YouTube channel. Yeah, that basically does it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Take care. Happy shooting.